Hi there, I'm Varney, spiritual teacher, podcaster, author, so many other things. Today we're talking about the solar plexus chakra, powerful, energizing energy chakra. So by the end of this video, you will know what is the solar plexus chakra and what does it do, how you can energize your solar plexus chakra to improve your health and well-being, and simple exercises to energize the solar plexus chakra, and foods that really do support the solar plexus chakra. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get on. The solar plexus is one of the, all our energy centers are important, but it really is an important energy center in the body. And when it is energized, we can really feel mentally and emotionally balanced. The solar plexus is the energy center that's located in the upper abdomen, that's just above the belly button. And this chakra is associated with feelings of self-worth, confidence, power. But when it's blocked or weak, we can sometimes feel powerless, which can cause anger, lack of direction, imposter syndrome, all those procrastination. But there's some simple techniques that you can use to energize this, to restore a sense of balance and empowerment. So if you're feeling low in energy, there is ways that you can energize that. But really, the demon of this chakra is shame. If you feel, usually the shame is unconscious. It's an unconscious way of being, and the basic rights of this chakra is to act and be an individual. Yeah. So taking action. If you're not taking action, there's something going on with your solar plexus. Yeah. This is the third chakra. It's located just above the navel, where I reckon it's about 3 inches above the belly button. Usually it's yellow, but however, in pranic healing, it's of different colors. Pranic healing. That's another video that I will be doing or have done by the time you've watched this. Yeah. It's area of governance is all major organs in the body, including the stomach, the upper intestines, the upper back, and spine. And this is the manifesting center of the body. So, how you support yourself with healing in the first chakra is explore your manifestations, negative and positive, because remember, you're manifesting everything in your life, you're creating it. Explore rebellion, test boundaries, emotions to pay attention to in this the solar plexus is an overwhelm of emotions, the self, and being around others, being fearful of being in the world, confusion and emotional explosiveness, that anger. If you're got a lot of anger, you're always blah, blah. There's something going on with your solar plexus. Yeah. Front and back, remember, because some people just think we just have front energy centers, but we don't have front and back energy centers. Also, patterns and beliefs pay attention to worthiness, sense of self, insecurity, inaction, or overaction, because you could be like hyper thing, and that also could be an imbalance in the solar plexus. Codependency as well, overbearing. And the themes around the solar plexus is power, purpose, and wisdom. Yeah, manifestation. Yeah. Good oils to use, and just rubbing the oils or even smelling the oils to use around the solar plexus is lemongrass and juniper. is very good. When you've got a good balance in the solar plexus, there's a strong sense of self. You know, you've got a healthy ego and a divine mission. You really do. You're responsible, and you have really good boundaries around for yourself and for others. You know, you're quite courageous and ambitious. You know, you've got a healthy body. You're joyful and fun to be around. So you are, you know, you have a deep knownness, a strong intuition, and you're very confident. The backside is divine encouragement, you know, non-ego, soul power, confidence. Good affirmations actually for the solar plexus is I am powerful. I am here. I am worthy. I can stand on my own. I believe in myself. You know, I take action. I trust that if I leap, the universe will definitely catch me. You show up for yourself. Be the part. Let it go. Yeah, I'm joyful. Those are really good affirmations to now a really good exercise that to really energize that solar plexus, especially when you feel inactive, is just uh, opening your hand. These are very powerful energy centers, the hands and the fingertip energy centers. And all you're going to do is so you can feel the energy. Yeah. And then I'm just going to lift up here, and you're just going to go round and round in the energy center. You're bringing the energy up here, and you just feel that energy center. Now, as you go round in a clockwise direction, you can have a crystal in that hand where you're holding the hand, so that the crystal of the energy is coming down there. That's a very simple technique. Another one is going out in nature. By water is massively healing to the solar plexus. There'll be times where you felt really sluggish, and you know, and you've went outside, especially if you walked a lot beside water, you know, the sea or what have you. You always feel that's why there's negative ions in there. They always, you know, help release the energy around there. Those are just really simple exercises. Good food for the solar plexus is bananas, yellow fruits, you know, nice yellow fruits, healthy, really healthy, preservatives, also fermented. Good organic fermented food is good for the solar plexus chakra also. So, guys, I hope this has helped you. And energize, keep energizing the solar plexus chakra. I will be putting meditations. I think I've actually got some meditations on YouTube that really do help this. So without further ado, please, please, please like and subscribe. It really does help the core. And speak to you later. Bye bye.